Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you see on WhatsApp notifications here on icon of WhatsApp that you received some message, but also you just check all the chats and you read all the messages and you haven't received any messages. So how you can how you can disappear this notifications from your icon. So for doing this, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find general, and in the general you need to scroll down. Here you will see shutdown, so just tap on shutdown, just slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. And if you still have this issue, so just check your internet connection. So just try to if you're using mobile data, try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn off Wi-Fi and turn on again. And also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off, so it will reset your network settings and also internet connection. And also you can try to close app and just reopen it. And if you still have this issue, so the latest thing you can try is just made force restart on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. So on this model you just need to tap on high volume button, then on low volume button, and just keep and hold power button until you will see here slide to power black screen. And after, just release your finger from power button and you need to see Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, it means that you successfully made force restart. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.